finally I've assembled a 1.6 Tesla BBMPulser 4B model. In my previous videos I showed you guys the board, and here is the new case for this model. It's got a handle on the top. It comes with a clear side panel. By the way, where do you see anybody's using a clear side panel for magnetic pulsers, for PEMFs? Every company is hiding what they put in inside. They don't want you to see it. But I am different. I am showing you everything inside, how it's built, and it will get a clear panel here on the side. Let me install it back. So that's how panel looks like. So this model is 1.6 Tesla, has 1.6 Tesla output with power adjustment down to 0.8 Tesla, and you have a smooth adjustment in between your power levels. This is the power on off button, some USB ports to charge your phones. This is a voltage capacitor bank voltage meter. Okay, I'll show you from the other side. It's not that big, it's a bit heavy, but decent size. It's portable, you can carry it around. Okay, I'd like to show you power output on the meter. Here I have my Tesla meter set up, and let's power her up. So on the lowest, which is 0.8 Tesla, you will get about 9-minute session time, and it pulsates at rate of 2.39 Hertz, which will give you 143 pulses a minute. And as you increase intensity, pulsation speed will drop, and once you get all the way to 1.6 Tesla, you will get about 8-minute session time, and pulsation rate is 0.66 Hertz, which will give you about 40 pulses a minute, each minute. Okay, let's turn it down to 0.8 Tesla and let's take a measurements. So this is how fast it pulsates. It's very quiet in operation. There is inside one fan that's cooling diodes in there, but you can barely hear it. The only thing you can hear is the coil, and it's fairly quiet. So on the lowest you get 0.858 Tesla, and as I increase the intensity, it's 1 Tesla around here, it's 1.2 Tesla here, and so on. Let's go all the way to 1.6 Tesla, and we're getting 1.728 Tesla on the highest, and you can hear the pulsation rate. All right, let me turn it down and I'll show you how it feels when I put my hand on it. So this is 0.6 Tesla. As I said, coil a bit farther, and let me show you on 1.2 Tesla. And let's adjust it all the way to 1.6 Tesla. Okay, it feels pretty strong. These new models with the strip coil, and they really do output some power. And if you put your hand over it, you can feel like electric shock going into your hand. Everything is insulated here. Coil comes in two-part resin. This is a Flexit 90 polyurethane, and this is a rigid black resin that I use to mold this coil in. So this model, as every other one, comes with 6 feet cable wire for the coil and one coil which is permanently attached to the unit. Okay, on this model I am giving 3 years warranty, and my goal is for this model to last 7+ years, hopefully around 10 years or maybe more. Okay guys, just wanted to show you this model, and if you have any questions, you can find more information down below. Here's the back side of it. This one is 120 volt AC model. If anybody needs 220 volt AC for European style, just shoot me email. I will include my contact information down below this video, and I will build a 220 volt AC model. I removed a switch which you can switch between 110 and 220 just to make it more reliable. I figured that most of the time people whoever buy it from United States or on this side of the world, they will just they'll just use it here for their reason, and those who buy from the Europe, they'll end up using it there. So unless you request for dual voltage 120 and 220, and then I'll go ahead and build that, but otherwise it's going to be either 120 or 220 volt AC model. Alright, you can find more information on pricing and contact information down below this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.